Over the last few years, I've had the privilege of working with nearly 2,000 professionals across 27 countries, helping them rise from entry-level roles into high-impact, high-income careers. And while their journey has been incredibly rewarding, something has shifted. Today, job security is no longer guaranteed. Mass layoffs, economic uncertainty, and a rapidly changing workforce have redefined what stability looks like. Here's the reality. Most millionaires today are business owners or investors, not employees. And many people are beginning to ask a critical question. What would it look like if I owned something instead of just working for something? With close to 2 decades of experience as a serial entrepreneur, including owning McDonald's franchise, UPS franchise, I have seen firsthand how business ownership can transform not just income, but identity, freedom, and legacy. And now I'm extending a personal invitation to you. I am hosting a free session for entrepreneurial learning designed specifically for individuals who are serious about transitioning into business ownership. So whether you're looking to start your own business or exploring franchise ownership with proven global brands or building something alongside your 9-to-5, this session will open your eyes to what's possible and, more importantly, how to get started the right way. But let me be very clear, this is not for everyone. This is for those who are ready to think differently, ready to explore ownership, and ready to take a real step toward building something of their own. Share practical insights and help you begin to map out your business ownership journey. And if you know someone else who is also been thinking about making a move like this, I want you to share this with them. Your next level may not come from working harder, but from owning smarter. Go ahead, use the link, register right now.